Alright, so I wanted to show you that my strawberries in the strawberry bed here are still doing really great. I've covered them with a lot of leaves, but they've just got a little bit of yellowing and red. There's a little bit of redness around some of them, but not a lot. What? Yeah, there's some leaves over there by the sticks, yes. And then I did as much weeding in here as my little one, Catherine, will allow me to do. I just don't know about this thyme right here. Let's see if I can get closer to it for you. I just don't know about it because some of it looks really dead, but as you can tell, there's new growth with green little bits of thyme on it. So, not dead, but it doesn't look the best either. And then I've got rhubarb here that's still doing okay. I mean, this leaf isn't, it doesn't look wonderful. Obviously, it's been super cold, so, but it's green still. It's still alive. And here's my spearmint plant. It's mostly dead, but it's already starting to grow new green leaves, surprisingly. And then if you look under here, under all these leaves, look at that. Look at that. And it smells, oh here too. And it smells like the strongest spearmint gum you have ever smelled. It is amazing how fresh this smells. Bye, baby. And then I had a pineapple sage in the middle here between the rosemary and the spearmint, and that is just gone. But here, the spearmint is making its way, it's coming out. And here's my rosemary. It's looking a little rough, but it's hanging on as much as it can. So, at least that. Here's a better angle of my thyme here. Yet, all this is just, I don't know. So, I had some radishes that obviously aren't doing anything. There's another one. Oh, well, kinda. Oh, here we go. I guess that's the most developed one of all of them. Correct. Can't eat that. Oh well. Here's one. Can't eat it. Oh well. Alright. Well, I've got leaves covering all these for now. Still gotta fill these up with leaves. My girl's over there playing soccer. Got a big dog. She thinks she's regal. So my next project. Ow.
Sorry.
Careful.
I want you to play with me.
Okay, I'll play soccer in just a second, baby. Uh-oh, keep them out of the garden. So my next little project is going to be redoing my compost area, and it's just 2 tiny little bins that I built. It's where I had my sweet potatoes and a few other things on a different side of the garden. So what I'm gonna do is build a taller bin. I'll probably still have 2 side by side, but I'll be building a taller bin for sure, and I'll just move these guys back. It's okay. And I'll just move these guys back to another part of the garden for something else. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in them yet, but they will not be staying here, and this will be the compost piles, only bigger. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when I'm going to be doing that yet, but it should be soon.